In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Treemap in Excel. A Treemap is a compact, space-filling chart that shows how parts contribute to a whole using nested rectangles. It's great for comparing categories at a glance, and it also supports a simple hierarchy if your data has multiple levels. Start by highlighting the data you want to visualize. Make sure your worksheet is laid out in a clean table. A header row at the top, at least one column for categories, and one column with numeric values you want to measure, such as sales, counts, or percentages. If you have a second category level, place it in a column next to the first so Excel can group items. Avoid blank rows and columns in the middle of your range, and include the headers in your selection so Excel can use them for labels. Drag across the entire range you want in the chart. You should see it shaded to confirm it's selected. With your data highlighted, go to the ribbon and click the Insert tab. This switches you into Excel's charting tools. Look for the Chart section. Depending on your version, you may see a button labeled Hierarchy, or directly see the Treemap icon. Either way, keep your selection active and stay on this Insert tab. Now, click Treemap. Excel immediately builds the chart and places it on the sheet. Each rectangle represents a category, and its size is proportional to the value you selected. If you included multiple category levels, you'll see larger groups containing smaller rectangles inside, which helps you spot how subcategories add up within a parent group. Take a moment to read the chart. Large blocks indicate bigger contributions, and smaller blocks show where impact is lower. If something looks off, glance back at your selection to confirm that labels are in text columns and values are numeric, and that you didn't include totals or mixed data types. When the chart appears, Excel also opens chart design and format tools so you can refine the look, like adjusting colors, titles, or layout, while keeping the same underlying steps you just followed. And that's all it takes. Highlight the data you care about. Click Insert to access the chart options, and choose Treemap to instantly turn rows into a clear, visual summary. Use it whenever you need a compact, high-level view of how categories stack up against one another.